In this iPEGS Going Paperless video, I'm going to be talking about incident report forms, why they are needed, and how going paperless with these types of forms has a multitude of benefits. Incident report forms are used in a wide variety of sectors, including healthcare, construction, education, manufacturing, utilities, transportation, and for the general workplace. An incident report form is completed in order to capture the details of any dangerous occurrence, injury, accident, or near miss, and is ideally completed as close to the event time as possible. This is to ensure that full, factual, and accurate information is recorded to enable the responsible manager or health and safety officer to put actions in place to minimise future risks and to ensure the safety of employees and customers. Employee health and safety is of prime importance to any business or organisation, no matter the size. Unfortunately, many incident report forms are still completed in the traditional pen and paper format, and while this method works, it can be problematic and inefficient. Problems include access to the paper-based forms. Incidents can occur anywhere, and having a paper-based form to hand is not always possible, meaning delays in completing the form. Difficult to read or unreadable handwriting, incomplete forms, delays in getting the completed form back to the responsible manager, missing or misplaced forms, and then the actual storing of those forms. All of these issues increase the risk of delays and repeat incidents due to the inefficiency of using paper. One thing that the majority of people have with them at all times is their mobile phone. By moving away from paper and utilising an always accessible incident or accident report form, either via an app or the web, has huge benefits for a multitude of reasons. Forms can be accessed immediately. Information is recorded quickly, ensuring full and accurate data. Forms can be submitted as soon as complete. Fields such as pick lists, date pickers, GPS location and photo fields all help in providing as much information and detail as possible. You can utilise the dictation feature to speak the details directly into the form, so there's no more bad handwriting and there are no more delays in getting the forms to the right person. There are so many benefits of utilising the technology we have available to us today, especially when it comes to health and safety. So if you are still using paper-based incident or accident report forms, now is the time to start thinking differently. A paperless solution such as iPEGS provides an easy-to-use, cost-effective way of creating an electronic incident report form that can be accessed on any device, completed easily, signed electronically, and submitted in a matter of minutes, if not seconds. By making it as easy as possible for anyone to access and complete these forms, ensures that the incident is reported on quickly and efficiently. iPEGS electronic forms have a number of benefits, including forms available on any device, so they're accessible immediately. Forms can be accessed and completed offline with the app. Electronic signatures with date and timestamp for authenticity. Mandatory fields ensure the forms are completed in full. Pick lists and tick boxes for easy form filling. Add photos to the form, GPS location, and you can submit the forms immediately and electronically, meaning no more printing, scanning, or filing. Once the form has been submitted securely to the iPEGS web portal, the form owner, who's usually the responsible manager, will receive an email notification where he or she can view or download the form immediately and take the necessary action. No more delays waiting for the form to be returned to the office, no more risk of losing or misplacing the form, no more having to decipher unreadable handwriting, and no more having to store the form physically in a filing cabinet. So if you are responsible for the health and safety of your employees and/or customers, then isn't it time you moved away from the inefficiencies of paper-based forms and utilised the amazing technology we have available to us today? For more information about how to go paperless with iPEGS, please visit our website. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.